Hey guys, I wanted to show a build that I never really considered before the Edge of Fate coming with some changes to Wicked Implement because it's going to be 260 or Rapid Fire, which I really like. But I love playing Stasis class, so this is normally what I got going on. But of course I like having the Tectonic Harvest on because you get all the Stasis crystals, and that's usually just good for build stuff. But I noticed that while you're playing with Wicked Implement, destroying Stasis crystals or landing precision final blows creates a Stasis shard. So I was like, I wonder if I can get rid of having Tectonic Harvest and just use Wicked Implement to create Stasis shards, which works pretty good. So if I use my melee, because Howl Storm's pretty sweet, there's one. And you can't just shoot them back to back, but it's not very long. So 1, 2, 3, and there's one. So kind of in a line. If I get one right away, I don't get one, wait a little bit longer, and I didn't get one there. But if you are a little more patient, you can get your full refund if you're rocking Whisper of Hunger. So what I've got going on right now is Diamond Lance, Howl Storm, Conduction, because it gives you a little bump in resilience, and obviously not having to chase Stasis shards around is pretty good. But now that I'm looking at it, I might be able to replace that because Wicked Implement will automatically have shards come to you, so I might play around with replacing that. Bonds is awesome because you're always freezing targets. Rending, because I don't like shooting Stasis crystals twice. Chains has been one I've been playing with right now. It does seem to work pretty good because you know, we usually have Frost Armor with this build with my exotic, and it's like 30-ish% chance for killing miners while you have Frost Armor, 60% chance for like majors and mini bosses, and then bosses or mini bosses will give you 100% chance for a shard. So you're getting shards from shooting crystals with a Wicked Implement, killing frozen targets with Wicked Implement, and you know, just in general, you might get Stasis shards from having kills with Frost Armor. And Hunger. Hunger works pretty good if you're trying to spam Howl the Storm. It gives you lots of melee energy, even with like my stat. You know, I don't have a ton of melee stats, so kind of interesting. Again, using Iceball Mantles and Wicked Implement. I'll just hop into this Lost Sector really fast and kind of show you that it does seem to work pretty well. So if you want to have Diamond Lances and Howl the Storm, this is a pretty good way to do it while using Wicked Implement. So I'm just going to play like normal, get my Frost Armor going, and maybe throw a grenade just for giggles. Let's see, I've already got a Stasis Crystal after that. When you have Tectonic Harvest going, you really don't have to worry about reloading Wicked Implement since you got the Catalyst. It's like overflowing the magazine heavily, so that's kind of nice. But if you headshot a frozen target, you get a lot of melee energy back, which is really cool. Or a lot of chance to create a Stasis shard back. So anyway, just something I wanted to show off that I thought was pretty fun.